I abide in the realization of divine union. I always have been and forever will remain a complete and perfect expression of the eternal mind, which is God, the living Spirit Almighty. Today I enter into the limitless variations of self-expression that the Divine Spirit projects into my experience. Knowing that all experience is a play of life upon itself, the blossoming of love into self-expression, the coming forth of good into the joy of its own being. I enter into life with joyful anticipation and with enthusiasm. I know that God must be present in my every act, word, and thought. Therefore, I know that freedom and fulfillment are mine today. The freedom to think, to act, and to move in complete accord with the divine harmony. As I go forth into this new day, I rejoice in the good that comes to me and to all people. Today, I shake my thought clear from the belief that external conditions are imposed upon me. I declare the freedom of my divine birthright, knowing that I possess the kingdom of God in all its fullness. There is no bondage in God. Therefore, there is no bondage in me. I have a great sense of joy in knowing this truth, since the burden of personal responsibility is lifted. Today, I abide in the deep, calm realization of divine union.